Are you tired of skyrocketing housing costs? Welcome to the House Hacking Blueprint for 2026, the guide to eliminating your mortgage payment. Imagine buying a home, moving in, and never paying a mortgage again. I've done it for 3 years without living in a van, and you can too. This isn't theory. This is the exact blueprint for buying a multifamily property so your neighbors, your tenants, pay your bank note for you. Housing is the #1 financial pain point in America. House hacking is the smartest, fastest way to eliminate that cost and build wealth simultaneously. Our blueprint covers 3 key areas: leveraging the FHA loan, finding the right property, and maximizing income with ADUs and tenant management. Step 1 is securing financing. You must utilize the FHA loan. It is specifically designed for owner-occupants and is your secret weapon. The FHA loan has much lower credit score requirements than conventional loans, and it allows for higher debt-to-income ratios, making it accessible for most first-time buyers. Crucially, for multifamily properties, up to 4 units, the FHA loan allows you to put down as little as 3.5% as long as you plan to live in one of the units. To calculate your maximum FHA loan size, lenders will consider potential rental income from the other units, often counting 75% of projected rent toward your debt-to-income ratio. Step 2 is scouting the property. A good property can mean the difference between a high mortgage and a zero mortgage. Focus your search exclusively on multifamily units, duplexes, triplexes, or quadplexes. The more units, the greater your rental income potential. Your goal is simple. Find a property where the total projected rental income from the non-owner occupied units exceeds your all-in mortgage payment, including PITI. For example, if your mortgage is $3,000 and you rent out 3 units for $1,200 each, you'll net $600 a month in cash flow, and your unit is free. Step 3 focuses on maximizing income through ADUs and stellar tenant management. This is where you create your financial buffer. Accessory dwelling units, or ADUs, such as basement apartments or garage conversions, represent a hidden income stream you can legally add to your property to drastically boost cash flow. Whether you manage official tenants or rent to roommates in your unit, successful management is non-negotiable for a peaceful, profitable setup. Always screen tenants rigorously. Use clear legal lease agreements and establish boundaries immediately to maintain professional distance and respect. House hacking is not just a strategy, it's a path to financial freedom. You get to live for free, and your tenants build your equity. By leveraging the FHA loan, finding a multi-unit property, and maximizing income, you achieve the zero mortgage outcome and can reinvest that cash flow. Don't wait for the market to change. Take control of your housing costs. Download the full house hacking blueprint and start your zero mortgage journey today.